Hi friends, in the last videos we covered up to pattern number 14. Now I need to talk about pattern number 15. So in the previous patterns, we have written a program to print these stars in the upper bound. That means 1 to 5. Now my requirement is I need to take in the lower bound. That means here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 3, 6. Yes, like this we have. So here I don't want the stars. So here also I don't want the stars. Here also I don't want the stars. Here also I don't want the stars. Okay, 0, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to this I don't want the stars. And from here I want the stars only in the left pattern. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these things I don't want any stars. Here I don't want any stars. Here I don't want any stars. The program which we covered in our previous video, same genre. Now see, what is the format if I want to print this style? You can see in this, the value of I should be less than or equal to 5. The value of j should be less than or equal to 5. In this case, the value of I should be less than or equal to 5. But the value of j is greater than or equal to 5. In this case, the value of I is greater than or equal to 5, but the j value should be less than or equal to 5, because j value is from 1 to 5, but I value is from 5 to 10. That's why this particular range, if we want to print these two things, we have to write. Okay. Now let us write the program for this requirement. Your I value should be greater than or equal to 10, but 10 by 2, but j value should be less than or equal to 10 by 2. Let us see how you can run this. Have you observed? We got stars in this particular style or not? Yes. This is nothing but how we can display this 15th pattern. Okay. Right. Thank you.